Hello. Hola. It is I, me, and today we are building Lego set. Okay, it is working. I'm watching the stream on the thingy. I'm wondering, do I have it set to the wrong latency? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it is. Oh well. Guess we'll just have a little bit of extra lag today. That's fine. Not a big deal. No siree. Alright. So, Lego set, right? Yes, Lego set. So because Lego set, we are just gonna pop over to this screen. Can't see chat. Let me fix that. That's the Windows key. There we go. Oh, and I guess I need to turn on my smartphone, huh? Okay, I can do that. The power of my thumb. We have the technology, but it doesn't seem to be working. There we go. Look at that. Boom. Alright. Lego set. Wow. This Lego set was acquired during a white elephant. So yeah, it was Christmas. Been about a month. So I figured it's time that I build Lego set. And because that's the case, why not we get this out onto a tray. Here, ASMR. Oop, that's peaking the microphone. Alright, that's enough of that. Wait, they're paper? What? Okay, since now I haven't opened a Lego set in how many years has it been? Like 4 or 5 years. They're paper now? Well, okay, that's pretty nice. Oh, I crunched the stickers up. Oops. Yes, that's what I get for not looking. Anyway. Today's video is sponsored by HP. Thank you for HP for and Ray-Bans. Meta Ray-Bans. You know, then you can stalk people in real life. Thank you to HP for sponsoring this video. Sorry, I thought I had to sneeze, but I didn't, and it's really disappointing. Alright, how about we first read the instructions? Oh, Lego Builder app, that's new. Oh, okay, there it is. Sustainable packaging, huh? That's cute. Okay, that tells you to build the guy. We can start with the guy, that sounds good. So we need this, bag 1 and bag 2. Now, this is gonna be interesting because, how do I entertain while also building a Lego set, right? Also, my mic settings are probably not well set up for this sort of deal, so it's gonna be really loud and obnoxious, huh? Oh, perfect. The Lego set barely fits within the camera mount. I mean, the instructions. Follow the instructions. I watched the Lego movie a lot growing up. I think I opened it the wrong way, but oh well, it's alright. I'm not gonna die because I opened a Lego bag the wrong direction, eh? Alright, so step 1 is Guy. I think we can assemble Guy. Where is the, oh, they already clip it in for you. Oh, okay, that's nice. So we can just put the head on the dude. Is this Max Verstappen? I don't know Formula 1. Therefore, you're gonna get a lot of really bad commentary about Formula 1. And Yeah. So there's our guy. Yeah, I'm not too sure how to keep this entertaining, so you're just gonna get some really bad like commentary while I do this. I mean, I can also just talk about other stuff, which is entirely probably what I should be doing, to be honest. So like recently I've been working on the trading card robot scanning, right? The scanner for the card robot. So the card identification mechanism. Back when we were still doing it for like the school project, we did a simple implementation of orb. Now orb, oh, these are new. Never seen this before. This feels like one of those like third-party Lego sets, or yeah, the third-party not Lego sets. You know what I mean? This feels like something from there. Can't believe that's a real piece. I feel like this came out right after, or like right during the time when I stopped building Lego sets. That goes there. And that goes there. Two of these. So we were using Orb and Vlad. Now, what that means is not much to people nowadays. Orb and Vlad is old techniques from what, like 2014 or so. So they're using 2014 technology in the year 2025 to identify trading cards, right? Now it does work. It works fairly decently. It has like a 90-something% accuracy for versions, and then like a slightly higher name accuracy. So, you know, it's all right, but it's not optimal for like, I don't know. It's not optimal nowadays. But nowadays, there's better technology. So I was trying other technologies. Now, technically, this is an older technique, but it recently, the patent expired. And by recently, I mean in like 2020 or something. The patent expired for Sift, which means that now we can use it in, you know, software. So, because Sift is better than Orb in some ways, we switched to Sift for testing. We haven't implemented it actually, but I've tested it. Tested swapping to Sift, and it does work a lot better. We have a 100% name accuracy on the test cards, at least. Like, it gets the name of every card perfect, which is pretty good. But then it doesn't get the what's it called? The version correct. It'll sometimes think it's a like a GameStop exclusive Umbreon instead of a normal Umbreon, for example. So that's an issue that needs to be addressed. Now, the reason this issue exists is because these stamps tend to be they're not usually a like distinct feature. It's more so a blob of like color, and it's not really like a big, you know, feature with like a bunch of dots or lines in it. It's a blob of stuff. And so I'm going to try next blob detection. Now, I did say that this is technology from a long time ago, and that is true. So I also asked myself, well, what happens if I tried the new technology? And so over the last few days, I have been testing more recent developments in vision, you know, vision retrieval pipelines. Oh, I almost missed the little gray square. I guess that's why they chose the color white there, so that you could see very easily where the white square is. Nice. That's right? I have been not paying attention to the Lego set and just yapping. Okay, that's fine. These go on the outside. And so we tried, well, over the past couple of days, I tried the new modern technologies such as a CNN convoluted neural network. And it seems as if it's not exactly correct technology to use with this. It doesn't really work that well. Even after training, I trained a ResNet 18 model for overnight really, and it did not work as expected. So yeah. Where does this go? There we are. Ooh. Okay. So ResNet 18 did not work, that's fine. What if we used ResNet 50? Now I didn't train ResNet 50, but I just popped it in and as a replacement for the trained ResNet 18, and it also did not work. So I think ResNet feature extraction is not the way to go for this project, which kind of makes sense. So then I was like, well, what if I just use the transformer model? You see, vision transformers are the new technology, the new hot deal on the block, you know? And allegedly, and they're very good at you know, extracting important features. And so I was like, well, I'll try that. Dino V2, I used that, and it actually performs worse for this application than SIFT, which is, remember, technology from like 2001. So I'm gonna go back to SIFT, but how do I make it like pay attention to the import? What is this? Looks like Perry the Platypus. I mean, well, obviously it's not like Perry the Platypus, but it looks like platypus, Perry the Platypus in white. Like, you can use this for the beak. Okay. And then the weird piece on top of that. What the heck? Wait, hold on. What is that weird one? Oh, it's just a half circle. Okay. That makes a bit more sense. And then I put, oh, I need this. And I put these doors on top of it. And it goes somewhere. It goes like this. Okay. What is this now? Alright, now we have the, this is a new type, and that's a new effect. I've never seen that before. So yeah, so we need SIFT features, right? Because they work very well for the trading cards. But, they're not very directed. They tend to choose to, well, so we're using SIFT features alongside Vlad, which is a vector, basically converting all of the SIFT features into one vector to make it easier to compute against all the other vectors, right, in the database, because you need to compare them to other cards so that you know which card it is, obviously. So is that an Xbox controller? Alright, here we are. Square on top. And then the Xbox controller, wherever that is. Where is said Xbox controller? I don't need a sticker, do I? That's not it. This is someone's hair. Ah, here it is. You know, I realize I can use stream to find. I can actually look at the the video, find the piece, but that's all right. All right, Xbox controller goes here. We're gaming. Cool, thank you, camera. Oh yes, focus on other stuff. I mean, it's got the details, you know. No, I didn't pay attention to where it goes. Oh, that makes sense. It's right there. Okay. This piece goes on the... Oh, it goes in front. I am intelligent. These parts go like so. And that goes there. Ah, that's why they have the... You know, I didn't know they made two tall mid-stud plates. I mean, well, no, wait. The thin ones are plates. Bricks. Mid-plate bricks. It's like in between a plate and a brick. Back in the old days, they just have you stick two, like, one by ones on, no. They'd have a 2x2, no, the 2x1 plate next to a on top of the 2x1 plate instead of those two brown pieces. Back in my day. Ominous noises coming out from outside, that's nice. Alright, now we need a sticker. Which one of these is it? Number 17. That's nice. Oh, okay, I see. Sticker application. There you go. Now you can see the technique. Okay. Let me guess. The next one's yep. Okay. You apply the other side. Boom. Boom. Sticker 16. Uh-oh. Hold the sticker at a 90-degree angle. There we go. Cool. Alright, sticker has been applied. Now I need to do whatever this is. Take this circle piece. Oh, okay, that's easy enough. So I need to train the Vlad vectors to focus on some parts of the image more than others, right? It needs to focus on the badge area. Right now, it just focuses on all of the text really in the image, which, you know, is alright, but it can be more optimal, you know? And so I'm going to try and figure out if there's a way to do that. Because if I can direct the feature detection vector to the correct output, or to the correct features rather, then it would be much more accurate. All right, another half moon piece. And then we put sticker number 8. Oh, there it is. There's a lot of sticker application on this one. There we go. Uh-oh, it's at an angle. That's alright, we save it. That's enough. It's a toy, it's fine. Alright, and then 2x of the claws. Yeah, I'm not a Lego streamer by any means, so this is novel. Anyway, right, so directing the vector, I will just train some model. This is net Vlad allegedly, which can probably work. But you know, not big a deal. Not too big of a deal. Oh, same thing as before. Seems like people like the card sorting robot content a lot more than Lego content, which is completely fair. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, chat. Let me give the guy the thingy. Ah, there were a couple of pieces roaming around in the bag still. Rookie mistake. Alright, that's fixed now. I guess that's one downside of the paper bags, but that isn't, it's fine. Really, you know, not that big of a deal. Alright, we put this in and we put the axle piece in. Axles. I know my terminology. Alright, what's going on here? Oh, well, that's what the table's for, I guess. Useful. That's about right. More of these weird pieces. And then we put this there. Yeah, it looks about right, right? Okay. Next up. Ooh, interesting. The small side goes on top. Okay, I wonder how they'll handle that later. You know, I had an idea for a Lego thing that I wanted to make. I want to make a, I feel like I missed something because of these. Like, I didn't even use this once. Wait, yeah, I did. It's... Oops. This one's upside down. How'd that happen? There we go. I guess they give you extras of these, which is nice, because they don't, you know, make extras of those normally. So I'll put that there. Alright, bags 3 and 4 now. I do hope that no one is here for Lego ASMR because that is not something I'm doing. I guess a lot of engineering had to go into these paper bags and making them, you know, try and stick to the Lego pieces as little as possible. But yeah, there are some pieces getting caught still. That's okay though. Okay, what the heck? Since when did this exist? You can't even see it, it's dark. Since when did this piece exist? Interesting. Okay, that goes there. And then that goes there. Interesting. Okay. A 3x2 on top of that. Uh-huh. Yeah, I used to do a lot of Legos. Oh yeah, I never finished telling you what my next project was gonna be. I seek to create Bad Apple again. You know, Bad Apple, pretty fun. But Bad Apple played on Lego Great Ball Contraption. You know those Great Ball Contraptions? They're the giant marble machines made out of Lego, right? Yeah, I was thinking, what if I could make a display from the, you know, white and the orange balls and play Bad Apple on it. And then, like, what if I took it to, like, you know, BrickCon or no, not BrickCon. They don't have them at BrickCons. No, I mean, what's it called? It's BrickFest, like, I don't know, the one in Chicago is usually the biggest one, I think. Like, what if I took it there and then, you know, played Bad Apple and, like, filmed it as part of a big loop? Brick World Chicago, that's what it's called. I remember now. I put that backwards. So, like, yeah, I think that would be a really cool video idea, but I just don't have the materials. All of my Lego stuff is all the way back in Seattle, and I need to order a lot more. I do have the EV3. Goes this way. I do have the EV3, which is the little, like, it's an old piece of technology now, but that's what I'd use for the brains. I've got the color sensor, got all that. I figured out how I want it to be designed. Is this supposed to spin, or do I want it to be, I'm guessing that it should spin, so I will keep it loose. Oh, no, it doesn't matter actually. No, I'll just lock it in then. That's fine. Oh, I put this on. So yeah, when I get the ability, when I get the chance, I'd like to try making Bad Apple on Lego GBC. I think it would rock. Interesting. That's cool. Okay. Do that again. So, like, the big issue though is that with GBCs you have two metrics to deal with. You have to deal with your ball sink, like the amount of like balls your module like holds at a time. For example, a ball pump, which, you know, batches. Okay, there's batching and there's like the ball capacity of the module. The batching is like how many balls does it output at a time. A ball pump it goes one at a time, right? But it holds a bunch of balls in the little, you know, tower in the middle. So it has a higher, what's it called? I don't know, thingamabobber than the other thingamabobber. So the issue with the Bad Apple module is that it would have a really, really high, like, ball retaining amount. Because, you know, you need, like, I think I did the math. The frame would be like 200 balls or something, or 400 even, which is a lot, right? That is a large amount of balls. So there's the problem with bringing it to Brick World Chicago, right? There's already the issue of ball starvation and not having enough to have a good loop. I don't want to make that problem worse, you know? Being greedy single-handedly, bringing a module that stores 400 balls. Now, is it better than having, like, I don't know, bringing 50 ball pumps and having that in a loop? Maybe. I do hope people would rather watch that than 50 ball pumps, but also, like, you know, what if 50 people brought their own ball pump? Then it becomes less of a, you know, cut and dry situation. Where's this weird cornery piece? There it is. They're inventing new pieces that I've never seen before. Pretty crazy. Alright, this is 15. Oh, we're also sponsored by AWS. And Shell. So thank you for today's sponsors. There we go, sticker applied. Place that there. Now I just need to do that again. So what was I looking for? I need the middle dot. There it is. And then I need the weird blurry thing. Why is it hard to find this? Huh? Where art thou? Okay, am I tripping? There it is. Yes, I am. Cool. Good work, me. You want sticker 15 again? Alright, let's look for it. There it is. Yeah, I guess I'll stick to the card sorting robot streams because it seems as though stickers are terrible. Yeah, I suppose you could say that. I mean, stickers are fine. Wait, why are my chat boxes not updating? Why is that the only spot where I can see my chat? Let me refresh this. Oh. I would like to see all of my chat messages, not just chat messages. Anyway, yeah. Stickers, I mean, yeah, there's stickers, you know. Why is it set to top chat? I want to see all of my chat because all of you matter. All right, we need these like weird pieces. They all go where? What is this going on? Okay, we are going to start with this piece instead. Tweezers. Nah, my fingies are good enough. I got it. I'm locked in. Alright. And then we need 3 more of these. Boom. Why these parts specifically? Why not just like normal ones? I guess my question should be answered soon, but like also I'm just like curious why. And where's the last one? There it is. Oh, you know what? I know why. It's because they're too tall. Okay, that makes sense. All right. I take the wing piece. Let's go start with this one. Which one is this? Okay, this one is number 6. Nope. There it is. All right, sticker time. Oh gosh. I think I centered it around the wrong corner. Oh, that's all right. It's good enough. Car? Yeah, car. That's right. Car. Where does this go? This goes here. Cool. Oh, you know what? I think there's other people who might be interested in watching this. Let me send this link to another one of my friends. Or you know what? I will not deal with that. I will deal with that another time. All right, next up is sticker number 10. I want the other wing. Nope, not that. This. And this. I mean, the 2 viewers are fine. It means I can communicate with chat pretty easily. And, you know, it's okay. I don't stream Legos, so it's perfectly expected for this to not be poppin', as they say. Alright, let's place the sticker here. Come on, center it. Perfect. That's good. I got the sticker. I don't know if you can see that. I don't have OBS open. How do I message? Guy. Ah, there we are. Okay, OBS Studio. Now I can see this. There we go, sticker application. Wonderful. Yeah, normally I stream like programming and stuff, so, you know. I assume most of those are not even programming, it's mostly, okay, Santander. Which way does this need to go? Like this. Yeah, that's good. It's mostly CAD design, actually. Oh, uh-oh. What's going on here? There we go. First try. So we'll take this and we combine it with these guys. Yeah, so I hope to make a Lego Bad Apple on a Great Ball Contraption one day, but that will be far into the future. I mean, my YouTube channel only really exists because of Bad Apple, which I think is pretty funny. Interesting, it goes there. Ooh, that's the wrong side, actually. So I think I should keep up doing Bad Apple. It's just I've run out of ideas. So, you know, okay, I take this. That's the wrong side. I take this, and then I apply this like so. That's curious. Well, Scratch is a great start. That's actually where I started programming. So I say just keep it up. I took Scratch. I used Scratch for a very long time. I used it all the way up to like, I don't know. I used it for like, how many years was that? That was like, I think I think like 4 or 5 years I was just using Scratch. So it's really not that bad. All right, I need this piece. Now where does this go? Ah, it goes here. Yeah, make sure that the line is visible. Wait, do I make the line? Oh no, I want to make sure it's this one. Okay, I got confused by their terminology diagram. Okay. It's silly, I almost missed the very, very clear instructions on which one to use. That's cool. And this one goes here. And this one goes here. There we go. Yeah, that makes sense. Follows the sticker. Ooh, what's this? Alright, we start with this. Then we apply sticker number 11 to it. Where is my sticker sheet? Here it is. There's 11. Yeah, I mean, little random projects are exactly what Scratch is designed for. It's perfect for that. Oh, uh-oh. Okay, then underneath this, I apply this. There we go. Oh, that's why it's the size that it is, because then it matches the brick. That makes sense. Then I apply this. Oh, and then there's a corner piece on that. Okay, cool. There we go. And this lives right here. Oh, that's interesting. Does it fit on top of that? Oh, yes, it does. Perfect. Very cool. Oh, that's interesting. The little details are really cool in this set. I like it. Like the little, I don't know, just all the little things. Okay, now we do the other side. Wait, no, we're not even doing the other side. We are doing this. Yes. And then this goes here. And then we take a dot. And we put it here. Frosty the Snowman or Lego Batman? I played the Lego Batman games when I was a kid. I think Lego Batman's got this. Those games were peak. We had them on the Wii, the Nintendo Wii. It was glorious. And then I think we also had some on the Nintendo 3DS as well. So, uh-oh. Got a good bit of history with Lego Batman. Frosty the Snowman, you just wait until it's summer. And besides, Batman's got experience with chilly villains, right? There's what's his name? I don't know, I don't remember. There's the guy who did cold stuff. I don't remember his name though. The only one I know is the Penguin. There we go, look at that. Oh, I love how the camera focuses on nothing. Stickers. Alright. Ooh, we get to do meta Ray-Bans. Alright, we do the assembly of this thingy. Okay, click. Oh, number 19 goes there. Cool. Alright, let's go and do that then. I like how they have to get real. The like logistics of making these sets must be like crazy. Oh, the reason why YouTube has a 30-second delay is because I forgot to set it to the right mode before I started streaming, because normally I just take the last used settings and just edit it. But this time I'm not streaming the same thing that I normally do. I started fresh. But instead of starting fresh, it just I mean, it starts fresh, not just, you know, fresh. So it didn't save my preferred settings there. This is sticker number 14, yeah. So I accidentally started stream with a very long delay. There we go. That's pretty centered. Okay. Now we place that on there. Then we flip. Oh, okay, that's cool. And it goes there. And let me guess, you push it in. Like that. That's cool. That's pretty awesome. All right. Now we do the other side. Get the floor. Right, of course. I'm not looking at the instructions right now. I was just going for it. Where is the backpack piece? There it is. So that's why they had us do that, huh? That's cool. Pretty ingenious, huh? I like building Lego sets. I need to do it more often, but I don't really have a good place for it because I'm in an apartment that I'm going to be moving out of in like, I don't know, how many months? 6, 5 months. So it's like, you know, if I invest in Lego sets, then where do they go? I'll have to figure out how to take us back. It's not that complicated, of course, but right, sticker number 13. Now, which direction does sticker number 13 go? It goes like this. Uh-oh. All right, no problem. Oh gosh, this one's being annoying. Alright, put it very, very carefully. Now, something glorious about Taiwan is the like knockoff Lego sets. That was a pretty bad sticker application, but that's alright. The knockoff Lego sets are the greatest thing about this country. I saw the Trippy Troppy, you know, a Trippy Troppy knockoff Lego set, and I was like, wow, is this humanity's peak? Is this truly what the last, you know, several thousand, I don't know, 20,000, no, how long has humanity existed for? This is what humanity as a whole has come to. This is the peak of humanity, is the trippy, troppy, AI brain rot, knockoff Lego set. That is what all of our ancestors desired from us. That is the intent of everyone who preceded us, is for the trippy troppy AI brain rot Lego knockoff Lego set to exist. And I think it's beautiful. I'm kidding, of course, but it's just funny. Okay, where does this one go? It goes like this. Go. Wow, symmetry. Ooh, meta Ray-Bans. All right, this goes like that. Let's stick the Ray-Ban sticker on there. Boom. All right, let's get that stuck there. Yeah, I would like to do more streams on Lego Bad Apple, but I don't have the materials. I do not have the Legos. I do not have bad apples. Got a message on the on my Discord. Wow, that was crazy, chat. Okay, where was I? Meta Ray-Bans. Okay. I need another sticker. I don't know why I put it down. Sticker number 19. There it is. Okay, and it goes to the left. Ooh. I'm not as dexterous as I used to be. Years of playing Super Smash Brothers has ruined my fingers and my ability to... No, I'm just kidding. Alright, let us click. Alright, and then this meta Ray-Bans goes here. The only thing, I literally know nothing about Ray-Bans other than meta Ray-Bans, and I think that's beautiful. I'm just kidding, it's just silly. Alright. And then we're done with bag number 3 and 4, I think it was. Wow. Look at that, chat. Look at that. Next up is bags 5 and 6. These are the last bags. Oh no. I've only been live for 54 minutes and 26 seconds, so I guess this is a pretty quick Lego set, huh? I should go slower. I should savor every single piece. Okay, let's make sure every piece is actually out of the bag this time. Bag check. Is this Ziploc? No, okay. I was gonna say. Pretty nice. I like the paper bags. This is a good direction for the Lego the company to go in, because we do not need more plastic waste in this world. Bag check. It's empty this time. Good. Great. Fantastic. Look, it's Ferrari or whatever it's called. F-Zero. Hey, that's what my favorite genre. No, that's P-Zero. I haven't actually played an F-Zero game. They're too fast. Or too, I don't know. It's just, they don't exist anymore, so how would I play it? Well, I mean, obviously I know how I would play it, but, okay. We need the triangular piece. And we need stickers number 12 and sticker number 12. Amazon Web Services! Oh my gosh, I love Amazon Web Services. The The fact that they sponsored this set makes me more likely to go and use Amazon Web Services over Google Cloud Vertex API and Microsoft Azure. Right. Because of AWS, I am now a fan of, I don't know, what, C3? No, they're boxes or whatever. I use Google Cloud because it is free, and it is free. Wow, what a reason, am I right? All right, number 9. Number 15, Burger King foot lettuce. You kids wouldn't get that joke. All right, sticker application. Uh-oh, that one was bad, but it's fine, I saved it. HP, the sponsor of our channel. Thank you to HP for sponsoring this video. That's right, everyone. Go buy your 500th Hewlett Packard printer because the last one broke 25 minutes ago. You know, I think it's funny how 3D printers are in a way more reliable and more repairable. Not even in a way, they just straight up are, than the 2D paper printers. I think it's really funny. And you know, it makes sense because paper is actually a really finicky material. And the fact that printers work at all with ink and stuff is pretty remarkable. But you know, 3D printers, they have the privilege of every single thing about it going in is controlled. It's like 1.75 millimeters. It's this exact type of plastic, blah blah blah. But the real printers, they don't get that privilege. They don't say like, ooh, I would like you to insert blah 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 wood type B for this, you know, printing event. No, I need the weird corner EP. Where is that? No, that's not it. It's this. And then I need a claw. Where is claw? I know the bags are empty this time, so am I blind? Let me look at the stream and see if I can find the claw there. No, I cannot find the claw on the stream. Chat, where's the claw? Chat, I'm cooked. There it is. I see it. I need more lighting. That's what I need. Okay, this goes like so. And then this goes like so. Pretty simple. So that's why, yeah, that's why those pieces exist, so that you can get the too tall with the side thingy. But then you could just do this and put a plate on it. So I don't know. It's alright. I'm not going to question the Lego company's choices further. They very clearly have thought things through, and they figured that the manufacturing cost of the thingy is worth it. You're right, I could 3D print the Lego piece, and that would solve the problem. Should I 3D print the entire Lego Bad Apple project? That would go crazy. But they'd also not allow it in the Oh, I need 2 more of those ornery pieces. Of course, that was the one that I had trouble finding. My vision, my neural network built into my brain has not added it as a classification of a Lego piece, which makes it harder to find because I've never seen it before. No, I keep picking up the same part and putting it back down. Huh. Yeah, 2 more of these, huh? Where? Thank you, Lego, the company. Oh, there they are. They're just together in a corner for some reason. That's cool. That's alright. They're friends. I like my desk setup. It's fun. I designed my own camera stand. That's right. As a CAD enthusiast, I didn't go to printables.com. I did it myself. Mwahahaha. I need this. Go here. Sticker number 5. Okay, I can do that. Where's number 5? B and O. Interesting. I only know what BO is. I do not know B and O. Alright, this one goes like so. Oh gosh, this one's a pain. But I did it anyway because I'm the goat. Alright. Next up, we put one of these like this. And one of these red ones like this. Next page. Oh no, another number 5. Chat, is this real? All right, let's grab this. And then let's grab, where is that piece? The corner piece, there it is. There we are. And then I need another number 5. It goes the other way, which makes sense. I need to rotate this, you know? Hold it like that. Then I can place it like this. You know, when you do it this way, it's not nearly as difficult. Okay, that's a little bit that's very lopsided, but also like whatever. It's a sticker. It's fine. It's fine. No one's going to die. All right, we put these middle dots. Don't know what they're called technically, but whatever. And then we put the weird bar piece. There's one of them. And I had another one, but I just picked it up and put it back down. There it is. I found it. I'm a capable human being. Okay. Next up. Yeah, okay, cool, sure. This. No. This. And then I put this on it. No, that's the wrong one. Put this on it. Ooh, and then I sticker number 4. Alright, one downside of this Lego set is that it contains a large amount of stickers, which is not terribly unexpected, but that in mind, I suppose. And you know, we can play some video games after we build this if we want. I can play some Guilty Gear Strive. That is a game that I am capable of playing, yes. Alright, sticker on. Horribly centered, but that's okay. And then I place the piece that I put down earlier on top of that. And this one desires V power. Number 2. Okay. Number 2. Applied. Very cool. And then this goes on like so. Look at that. Alright. Now we do the same thing for the other side. I put this down there tactically so that I wouldn't have to search for it again. That's right. Planning ahead. That's how you know I'm a Lego set goat. Alright, that gets applied. Sticker number 1. Let's get this one right. Okay, better, but still bad. That's okay. That's not a big deal. Then I put V power. That's right, Chad. V power. Shell. Certainly a company. Since this video is sponsored by Shell, I shan't say my opinions on Shell. There you go. I did center that sticker perfectly though. That's very good. Alright, and then we apply that to there. Wow. V power. Okay, cool. We put the, whoa, what's going on here? Why is it a rectangle? Huh? Oh, it's tiny. Oh, okay. I was looking for something bigger for some reason. The tiny one goes on top of this medium-sized piece. Like, and then that goes back here. That. And then I put the dot upside down. Interesting way of doing snot, but that's okay. At least, yeah, okay, there it is. I found it. Oh, it's literally just, okay, the back of the car. Okay, we're not doing snot. That's just how it is. That's for decoration. And then we apply this here. There we go. Wow, look at that. That's cool. I should have guessed. That's the brake light. Okay. And then, oh, that's a smart way of locking it in. You do this. It goes click, and then it grabs onto the claws, and it also holds onto the tail piece. That's nice. Oh, and then there's the wing. Nice and big. Okay, we need sticker number 3. Now, I do not watch Formula 1. I do watch Gears and Gasoline. Uh-oh. I dropped the sticker. That's no bueno. So, I don't watch Formula 1. Okay, that's not really well centered, but it's okay. It's not that big of a deal. It's fine. It's good enough. TM. And then it goes there. There we go. Hello, Professor Pokemon TCG, a Pokemon TCG player. That's right. That's right. I, the great Pokemon TCG player, have had to retire from Pokemon TCG due to not living in Seattle anymore. Okay, this clicks into here. This clicks into here. Okay, that was the first try. There we are. That's cool. Wonder what that's for. Alright, we take a 4 wide axle and we stick it into the first slot, but I assume we're gonna construct something. Oh, there it is. You're retired as well? Wow, that's great. That means we can be retired together. Or we can just play Smash Bros. Good enough too, right? I'm not putting this on the camera. I need to remember that I am streaming and not just like... Does this work? Focus. Wow, look at that. I need better lighting. I'm literally just using my room lighting, which is fine, but it's not good, you know? So I apologize in Turbo Advance for that. We stick these there like that. Okay. And then what was I looking for? Oh, I need one of those weird, there it is. Similar hobbies, huh? That's pretty funny. All right, let me put this here. Yeah, Legos. Wait, hold on. Here, Lego. Okay. We should play Melee sometime. You know, it is across the pond. It's actually not that laggy. I mean, yes, it's laggy, but it's not that laggy. I mean, well, okay, no, it is laggy. I'm not saying it's not laggy, but it's not. Did I pick the wrong dot? Okay, no, I didn't. How does that go there? Oh, never mind. There we go. Now, I'm not good at Melee. I've not played that game in a while. And I also haven't played Smash Bros. In a while, because I've been busy, with my graduation project of the card sorting robot. So, I mean, yes, I'm retired from Pokemon, but that doesn't mean I'm not making Pokemon related things. I am building the card sorting robot. Yo, you can actually play Slippi? That's crazy. Yeah, decent but still suck seems to be like a good starting point for Melee. I played some Melee in the beginners in the Melee Philippines server, which is the only like active community in Southeast Asia, which is funny. And they said that I have good fundies. And that's, I suppose, from playing Ultimate. So I thought that was funny. All right. Wow, why couldn't you do this for the rest of the pieces, Lego? Okay, that's fine. I'm not going to complain that much. Only a little bit. Look at that. Wow, it's like it's the front of the car. You've been playing for 2 years? Oh. I used to play Melee and then I dropped the game and then yeah. But we could play. I did play at a local in Seattle. I think I had to drop out of the tournament because I was doing too well in Ultimate. So yeah, you can see that it went well. All right, where was I? I need sticker number 24. Where is sticker number 20? Oh, they're right there in the middle. Yeah. I can use the same controller for Melee and Ultimate because it's a modded, it's a Pro GCC. So it's a Pro controller, but I can use it for Melee. Wait, I have it on this table. I'm gonna find it. Over here. Yeah, see this? It looks just like a Pro controller, but you can see the motherboard isn't quite right. Because here's a normal Pro controller, right? It's not white. This one is. Ooh, modded. Yeah. So, I've got one of those early gen Pro GCCs that are janky, but it works well. It works for me. Hall effect sensors are great. The snap back, wonderful. But it's wired only, so it's okay though. I played wired on the normal Pro controller anyway. Rivals 2. Oh, I wish I could play Rivals 2 here. There's just no one online in Taiwan. I love Rivals. It was so much fun during the like 1 week where I could actually play it. We could play Rivals though. Alright. Now I'm going to stick this one and this one. We need 28 and 29. I intuited that from the previous time I looked at the sticker page. I did not read it from the paper. I am in Taiwan, that is correct. Yes, it is currently 12:29 p.m. I need to start my streams even earlier in the morning if I want to catch the East Coast folks, such as my grandma. But I do not wake up on time for that. Oh, your Mac can't run it. Are you on an M series Mac? Cause like I tried using the emulation of the Windows stuff on the translation layers was more accurate. I used the Cellar or Cask or something along the lines of that. No, that's just homebrew. No, what am I remembering? It was wine, right? It uses wine, so it's something alcohol related. I can't remember the name, but I did try. It's 9:30 in Canada. Oh, so you must be West Coast Canada, huh? Vancouver, I'm guessing. Oh, you've tried and it's not okay. I mean, it didn't work perfectly for me either, so I think it might just not work in general, which is okay. And then we stick the square. Boom. Alberta. MST. Wait. Am I bad at time zones? Wait, hold on. No, wait. PST, is PST the same as MST? Because I swear it's also 9:30 in Seattle. Alright, I need one of these. Wait, I need to check my phone. My phone's I'm using the phone for the camera. I can't even Google this. My laptop's all the way over there. My keyboard, I've got my keyboard on my lap. I can just Google this. Time in Seattle. Oh, it's 8:30 in Seattle. I can't do math. It's -4, that's -3. Oh, okay, I'm used to time, daylight savings time. I love daylight saving time. Anyway, I need sticker number 25 for this side. But okay, that makes sense. Fair enough. Yeah, okay. All right, there we go. There we go. I guess it's actually, I think I was off by 1 hour just because I'm like sleep deprived and not because I was like, oh, so it's oh, how does this stick there? No. Am I dumb? I am dumb. Wow. I'm extremely intelligent, chat. I had it stuck here. It should be stuck here. Cool. I did not voluntarily buy this set. This I got from a white elephant that I did with my friends. And so I am grateful to them. It also happens to have a lot of stickers. So, let's figure out the other side. Yep. There it is. Yeah, and I'm sorry for the stream delay. I did not expect that to happen because I did not change my settings after so stream, right? YouTube's different from Twitch. Twitch basically considers it as your entire profile is one really long stream, right? Basically, it's never ended. It's just you're live or you're not live. And so your settings consist. YouTube is different. Each stream is its own video. And each time you start a stream, you have to create a new stream. Twitch, you can just go live. And then like your settings will be the same. But like, yeah. So YouTube has the option to reuse stream settings. That's normally what I pick because I'm usually streaming the same thing, making a card sorting robot, right? Ah, look at that sticker placement, that's perfect. I'm normally building the card sorting robot, right? So I don't need to change my stream settings, so I just click reuse settings, right? But this time I was building a Lego set, so I was like, well, maybe I will, make a new, I'll reset my settings, right? Because then I can then I can, what's it called? Then I can make sure that all of my, like, descriptions or whatever are correct. Then I can make sure it's in the right, like, category and stuff. So I did that. But what I did not change was the stream latency setting. Which, you know, good play on me, good play, because it really worked out for me in this favor, because it means I can't really communicate with chat easily, which is great. Not like talking with people is one of my favorite things about doing this. No, no, no. Alright. Sticker number 26. Oh, that's the wrong side. That's okay. It's a very easy solution. I just find the appropriate not wedge piece and stick it onto that instead. You know. Let's do it. Let's do it, chat. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that. That's perfect. You know what, we're gonna remove this one for, you know, to apply the sticker to it. It's simply easier. This is a Ferrari. Now, like I said before, I don't know anything about Formula 1. But Ferrari. They're sponsored by AWS, which is cool, I guess. Oh, they're also sponsored by Palantir. You know, I actually did apply to Palantir for a job. They didn't respond to me, just like how I haven't gotten that many responses from anyone. The only response I've gotten so far is a take-home assignment from General Motors, which is cool. So I guess I have to be a General Motors fan for now, huh? So who knows? Maybe I'll be working on the next electric car touchscreen UI. Ooh, I can make it to React slop. Look at that, it's looking good. Okay. They drive in circles. Isn't driving in circles NASCAR? NASCAR is the one where they just drive in a circle. F1, they're designed to actually like turn, right? That's why they have so much aero. Okay, and then I stick this. Now, the only car thing I watch is Gears and Gasoline, the YouTube channel. I already said this, but I'll just say it again. So, like, I don't know much about F1, but I do know an amount about just, like, cars. So, I used to watch Donut until they fell off. Okay, sticker number 20. Max Verstappen. Yeah, I know Max Verstappen. I don't know anything else about it. Yeah. Commentator guy. I can't say I've actually heard the commentator. This sticker application was horrible. I got it like off-centered and there's a little bit of it sticking out, but also like whatever. It's okay. Max Verstappen. He's not stopping. I did the sticker upside down, but that's okay because this is symmetrical, right? So I can actually just put it on the other side. How handy, how convenient, you know? Yeah, look at that. See, it's as intended. Whoa, would have guessed. Oh, you know what? I need to follow these instructions again anyway, so I might as well just do that. Then I take these two. What are these? I don't know. I'm gonna call them claw pieces. No, they're not claws. Claws are something else. They remind me of scales. I'm gonna call them a scale piece. Alright, I put the HP upside down this time. Thanks for stopping. I'm gonna try and not mess up the centering. There we go. That's a little bit better. And then I place this on top of a stud. Boom. Look at that. And then it goes up. Okay. And then it goes like so. Look at that. There goes room. Okay, now we take 2x of these spoon pieces. Oh, they're the mirrors. Oh, ha ha ha. Oh, that's the wrong claw. They go here, actually. Spoons. Any Mumbo Jumbo fans out there? True Mumbo fans would get it. Ha 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 ha. Alright. You put this on one end and you put this on one end. Wait, they have tie rods? These are things you'd see on like an RC car or an RC airplane. Speaking of RC car, I used to do RC car, but not anymore. No more RC car for me. Wait. Oh my gosh, I have to bend it like that? Okay. This feels so bad. Feels wrong. Okay, it's being bent. Yikes. But okay, there we go, that's done. Then I put a claw on top of that. Really? You missed the Mumbo Jumbo spoon thing? I remember watching Mumbo Jumbo's Hermitcraft Season 4 and him building that spoon counter or whatever it was. That was peak. Yeah, it's a flexible part. I noticed that it was flexible when when I was putting the tie end rods into it. I was noticing, yeah, okay, it's like flexible. It's not, yeah, it's fine. Oh, I need the flat one. And then what is that? I stick this into here. And then backpack piece. They seem to like the backpack piece for snot, huh? Okay, we'll stick this here. Okay, where does this go? This goes yellow down. It just slots in like that. Oh, wait, what? Huh? Oh, and then I close this. Oh, that's why they chose that piece. That's why they chose that piece. So that it fits. Oh, that's clever. That is not centered, is it? Yikes. Alright, let's center that correctly then. I thought it was like the, okay, there we go. Now it's centered. Perfect. Cool. Oh. These are the last stickers. Joyous day. That goes there. Oh, if you're hearing a bing bong, that's a truck outside. Welcome to Taiwan. The blinkers on trucks here have bing bong sounds. It's really cute and funny until it's you know, your third year here and it is loud and wakes you up in the middle of the night. Then it's not as funny. All right. Last HP sticker. You know, my favorite thing about Lego sets is the stickers, and not for the reason why you might be expecting, because once I'm done with the stickers, I get to take this sticker sheet and stick it onto something. For example, I'm gonna stick it onto my computer. There we are. Perfect. As it was intended. Alright. The wide tires go in the back. Makes sense, it's a rear-wheel drive car. So I take this dot, I put this dot onto this thing, and then I put this dot into here. Cool. Click. And then these just go back here. And it spins. Whoa, that's crazy. Take this, put a dot into it, and then click. Wow. Vroom vroom. Okay. And I guess that's that after that, huh? So there's these left. And then I'm missing one yellow dot. Now, where could that have gone, huh? Where could my yellow dot have gone? I did a bag check earlier. It's not in the bag. Alright, is there somewhere where I missed a yellow dot? Did I accidentally yellow dot somewhere? Here, let's look. Here I used the flat, right? Yeah, that's a flat. Alright, well, let's look for more yellow dot usage. Yeah, I mean, well, the color matters a very, very, very tiny amount. Like, you can see it through the tire, so... Okay, that's literally the only yellow dot spot. So, I mean, I could use this black one, or I could use a silver one. But, you know, I'd rather not. You know what I mean. Where am I sure? Double check, double, triple check, quadruple check. Not in the tire? No. It's not in the hair? No. Not in here or here for some reason? No, okay. Oh, I didn't apply these. Oops, let me apply these. Okay, let me show you how the color might matter to like some insane person. Okay. So if you look in the tire at the right lighting, come on, camera focus. You're able to see it. You see the yellow? Yeah, let me double check the bags. Nope, not in this one. That one's bag number 2. It's not even... Nope. Nope. Unless it was in the little paper strip that I tore out. I don't think so though. No, Lego. No. Man. Okay. That's alright, I will just use the silver one. It's not that big of a deal. You can see it though. That's okay. But after that, we're done. Wow. That's crazy. Yeah, see, the silver one is a lot more obvious. Here, let me show you. It's a lot more obvious that there's some gray in there, right? So I'll use the black. Boom, get applied. Uh-oh, it broke. No. Let's just put that back. And there we are. Lego car. Oh, this needs to be fixed. They fiddled with it. There it is, Lego car. But let me put the guy in. Oh, you actually have to take the cockpit and lift it up. That's funny. Boom, Lego guy in the chair. Oh, he fits in there pretty well. Boom. Pretty cool. And now I can go and race with my friends. Yay! Oh, here's the yellow. No, I'm just kidding. I'm joking. I'm joshing with you, they say. Let's see. The yellow studs that have the ingredients list. Wait, okay, so it says 2x here. Huh? Am I? Oh! I threw! You don't need the yellow studs on these guys. Uh-oh. How do I remove it? Okay, there we go, I got it. Melee? Let me see if I have melee on this computer. Because my hard drive got wiped. It killed itself. My hard drive killed itself. It committed apoptosis back in August. So I might not have melee on my hard drive. Let me check. But if I don't, then I will have to source my my melee copy from my melee disc again, which I definitely have one of. So Nintendo, don't worry, it's a completely legal and ethical method of sourcing melee. It's straight from my own personal private copy that I got in 2001, before I was born. Okay, there we go. Lego's done. Yippee! Now we can put these away. What should I do with the extras? I do not have any other Legos. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sending me an ISO? Didn't you know that's strictly illegal? You can't do that. It would be really, really bad if someone would do that with me. But first, let me check and see if I have my own copy on my own hard drive, which I got from my own copy of Melee, of course. Let me check that first. You know, I'm going to put these Lego pieces into. Oh, you own two. Oh, so this is like. Oh, okay. You own two Melee copies in real life. This is basically you're just sending me. So you're sending me one of them and you're using the other one. Okay, yeah. No, that makes sense. Okay, that's great. No, let me check. I'm pretty sure I've got it somewhere. I think I have my copy in my documents folder. Let me see. Oh, there it is. Yes, Super Smash Bros. Melee USA ENJA. Perfect. All right, it's great. Don't worry. I will move this to my documents. Great. Okay, now let me go install Slippi. I already have it in my documents folder. Perfect. Skip it. Okay, let's go and download Slippi. Slippi. Which I, of course, source legally. Now, I'm pretty sure there's a way that I can use GameCube emulation with... There's a way I can use GameCube emulation with the, what's it called? I don't remember. Pro GCC. Pro GCC GameCube emulation. Or do I just plug it in and call it a day? You know? Because I'm pretty sure it has USB. It has like, you know, thingy over USB. Let me do this so that you guys don't peek at my hands and my fingies. Wait, did I ever click the install button? Oh, there it is, yeah. Ooh, install the GameCube drivers too. Or do I just have to go and find my GameCube to USB-C cable, which exists? Let me just Google Pro GCC. And then like figure out the instructions. Wait, what was I looking for? Oh, wait, no. I'm looking for the main board so that I can read the instructions. I love reading instructions. It would be I would be much happier if I could read the instructions easier. Yeah. Where is the instructions? Oh, thank you, Pro GC. Handheld Legend. There it is, user guide. Ooh, you can have administrator privileges, GameCube installer, GameCube driver installer. Wait, your ISO's not working anymore? Uh-oh. I mean, it should be okay, right? Because like it's from the real copy, so you can just use your backup one. You have two, right? So the second one should be fine, right? Wait, let me add some important text that says I am setting up Slippi. Text. Slippi. I am setting up Slippi. Wow. Okay. Let's see here. Pro GCC. Okay, there it is. Slippi mode. I hold the Y button. Let me go grab my USB cable. There we go, I've renamed the game. And let me go and grab my cable. All right, I hold the Y button. Hold the Y button. There we go. Allegedly, that did it. My email is myemail.com. It would be so funny if I typed my password on the stream, but I disabled my camera, so you don't get to see it. Oh, shoot, my phone battery is at 20%. I guess about an hour and a half is the best I can get from it. My my melee ISO exists in my documents folder. Here, take this. Does it work? No. Okay, let me just select it then. Documents. Melee. Verifying ISO. Set up. Great. All right, let's figure out how to use Slippi. Oh, I can move my camera stand now. I just made it out of aluminum extrusion. It's all homemade. All right, let me pause my music. Boom. And then let's hit the play button and see what happens. You're re-downloading it. Okay, is that gonna take forever? Oh yeah, I love this game. Listen to that beautiful, beautiful song. Oh, and my controller works too. Great. I love it when things just work. I mean, I could always send you my backup copy of Slippi, of Melee. Like, I have two, you know? No, it's halfway done? Alright, alright. Let me get rid of this. Yeah. And then I can, oh, that's not what you're supposed to see. Nope, you're not supposed to see that either. Some behind the scenes OBS stuff, huh? Alright, now I would like to game capture. Wait, I have a game button. Does this work? Capture specific window, Slippi dolphin.exe dolphin? Did that work? Oh yeah, it did. Great. Now you can see my skill. Alright, let's pop into training mode and I will show you just how good I am at this video game. Wait, I don't know how to play Fox. Alright. Oh yeah, we got those lasers. I know how to laser. Wave dashing? I can wave dash. Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. I'm so used to I'm used to playing what's it called? What's his name? The lion in the lion guy. I'm used to playing the lion guy and his shine. No, I like the music. His shine is neutral, right? I know how to play this game. Why am I not wave dashing? There we go. Rivals 2 destroyed my ability to play this game. And there's a reason why I play Jigglypuff. Why am I not able to wave dash? Alright, wave landing. Alright, we're gonna click finish, and I'm gonna play Luigi instead. Yeah. Alright, let's practice our wave dashing, yeah? That was good. Oh yeah, oh yeah. How many glint can I get? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're good, we're good, we're good. I got this, I got this, you know? Wave dashing is so much easier with Fox than Falco. I don't know. It's just easy. It's easy. It's easy. And then I say that and then I mess like 3 of them up in a row. That's really good. Oops. Wait, why is it laggy on the stream? No, what's it doing there? Drop frame of 307. What's it using? It's using hardware. It's using my it is using, what's it called? My graphics card. So, I guess it's just bad for the love of the game. Oh. Oh. Oh no. I'm cooked, chat. I'm cooked. Oh no. How do you play this game? I mean, you can what's it called? You can what's it called? It's in the game, you know, you can RAR. I know how to say words. RAR in this game with shine, right? That's not how you do it. Okay. How do you what's it called? Let's switch to this guy for a second. How do you do the wave? No. How do you, what's it called? Oh, there we go. I'm getting a little bit. Nope. Yeah, how do you moonwalk? Never mind, I figured it out. Okay. Cool. Here, I gotta practice. I gotta lock in, you know? Alright. Oh no, I'm washed! I'm washed! I'm washed! Oh no! Uh-oh, chat. Chat, am I cooked? Oh my. Okay, alright. What's going on here, chat? Huh? What? Okay. Am I bad at this game or something? Okay, I did it that time. Okay, I figured it out. I remember. Alright. Let's go back to playing Falco. I wanted to learn how to play Falco because he's so cool, you know? Laser. This is good, right? Wait, you don't have to touch a stick, you just jump? It's that easy? Yeah, that's right. Number one, I'm number one Falco. Number one Falco TW, you know? Oh yeah. This is how you play the game. What is up with my wave dashes? Here, check this out. Wait, hold on. Check this out. Oh, dang it. Hold on. Dang it. Wait, can I do one multi-shine? I used to be able to do it. Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm washed up. Why is it easier with Fox? Wait, hold on. Because you have to do it on frame 1 of your jump, right? Well, whatever. I'm just gonna play Fox. Fox is easy. I say that, and then I barely can do anything. Classic. How about we play Luigi? I like Luigi. Check out this movement, as they say. Hold on, I got this. Oh yeah, Wii gaming. Oh. Why is my fireball not coming out? Got the Luigi movement though? No, I'm just kidding. This is so bad. What is up with my inability to press the B button? Oh wait, real question though, how's the mash? Bad. Cool. Alright, we're charged. Really bad. Oh, that was horrendous. That's not how you mash. How do you play melee? How do you play melee, chat? Chat, how do you play melee? Wait, how good of a wave dash can I get? That's not bad. Oh, there we go. That one was good. Okay, that was bad. Oh, no bueno. Ooh, okay, that was a clean wave dash. That was a clean wave dash, chat. I shielded. Alright, let's play this video game. Direct. Mine is this. Fox. There we go. Stretch. Ugh, man. My back does not appreciate this chair. This chair is doggy doo-doo, as they say. Ooh. Oh yeah. There we go. That's good. Oh, okay. Restarting the computer fixed it? That's great. That's good. As long as the solution is easy. I wish I was good at this game. Being good at this game sounds so fun. Okay. Ping is 316. Uh-oh, chat. Why is ping so bad? No! I guess we are not able to play the game. Dang it. We tried so hard and got so far, but in the end it doesn't even matter. As they say. Okay. Well, that was a good attempt. The game wasn't even at 60 FPS. Now, I wonder if it's a streaming thing. Let me set up my stream to use my CPU encoder. Yeah, let me change my stream settings, and then we'll see. So I think I have to update that. I have to stop streaming and then start the stream again. Let me see. Unless it just did that there. Alright, no, it doesn't. It just updates everything. Okay, let me stop the stream and then I will return immediately. Alright, I am back. Alright. So maybe this will fix it? I don't know. We'll see. No, it's not a graphics issue. I guess it just might not work. So that's too bad. Here, let me show you how dead Taiwan is. You sit here for like 45 minutes. But I guess the plan might be we're gonna play Guilty Gear instead of Super Smash Bros. Which, yeah, that might be the thing. That might be what we do. I wish I could play Slippi. I just can't. So, we're gonna play some Guilty Gear. Let me edit my stream name plus Guilty Gear. Save. Now let me pick up my big heavy controller from off the ground and open the game here in Steam. Guilty Gear Strive. Oh gosh. You know, I really love the way this game messes with the resolution of the screen. It's really good. Guilty Gear Strive. Alright, let's change our game capture overlay to say any full screen application. And then, yeah, we'll just click OK. And then maybe it'll load up. Maybe it'll just work. Ah, there it is. It worked. Fantastic. Alright, we're gonna play some ranked because that's the only way you play this game, really. I am an Anji player. Yes, that's right. Anji and Gold Lewis are my two characters that I play. I am not Vanquisher or whatever. I am not that good at this game. But that's okay. You don't need to be the best. You just need to be alright. And now we sit here and we wait. Stand by in training mode? Sure. Anji Mito. Hi Kisuke. Kyle? Alright. I like I'm -1. Alright. Oh, that doesn't work. Cool. Oh. No, someone rejected me. Man. Oh wait, I just realized chat hides my meter. I guess I have to hide chat. Womp womp. Oh, here comes Daredevil. Total bad guy. Chat. It's so bad. Total bad guy. Duel 1. Let's rock. Wow, how I guess that? Oh, dang it. Why does that have more range than my far slash? Okay, fair enough. I 2P'd that. Okay. Just throw him again and again and again. Uh-oh. No, I just tried to jump. Mike hooked. Oh, why did it not dash? backdash that. Yeah, okay, fair enough.
Duel 3. Let's rock.
Alright, we get the super. Safe jump. Oh. Yeah. Stop jumping in, bud.
Duel 1. Let's rock.
Ow. Yeah. I don't know why my what's it called, Rin didn't connect there. It's annoying, but that's okay. Ow. Yeah, jumping in there was greedy. Yeah. I don't know why I keep jumping in. I should not be doing that.
Duel 2. Let's rock.
Cool. We get the ball break. Do the exact same combo again? I'm going crazy. Oh, you're actually gonna reversal there. Yeah. Why did I do it again? Yeah, I messed up my combo, but it doesn't matter. I don't know why it doesn't give me the jump. Okay, what? It drops? That's the first time that's happened. Oh, dang it. Safe jump. Oh no, he went the wrong way. I love when that happens. Yep. 2P will do its there. Okay. I need to practice my fast RCs. There we go. Damn, that drops. Interesting. What am I doing? You know, I can decrease the volume a little bit of the game. That's probably not healthy. There. Now it'll be a little bit more fun. Like, this will obviously do more damage, but if I'm locked into here, then I don't have any other choice really. I have to do that. But if I'm doing this, then like, is that better than? I don't know. We'll figure that out later. Oh, another so bad guy. I like playing against so bad guys, so cool.
Duel 1. Let's rock.
Yeah, fair enough. This guy is very passive. Okay, you're gonna throw that time. Yeah, that was a horrendous throw on my end. That's not what I wanted, but whatever. You're not gonna super there? Or whatever it's called? Reversal there? Okay. Oh, I don't have any meter. Oh, you're gonna... Okay. Press a button. That was horrendous. That's not what I pressed, no. Yeah. I want to get to a Vanquisher, but I don't think I'm good enough. I want to get to whatever is above Platinum. Probably more realistic. Oh, what is going on? Why did it not fish? I wanted to fish. I haven't done. I had not done Rin yet, so I'm going to do the Rin there. Ow. 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 Go away. Okay, why is it not jumping? berserker with a murderous presence, huh? Okay, we need to do this more, because like, it's not working. Oh, there it is. Are they yapping? I don't know, I'm like allergic to yapping, TBH, so. There it is. I remembered how to do. Wait, does this combo not work anymore? Did they patch it? Uh-oh. 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 Wait, hold on. Okay, it does work. I'm just bad. Got it. That's cool. Alright. I mean, yapping. What should I yap about? I did most of my yapping already, to be honest. I mean, I got a water bottle here, so that's nice. But, like... how's a water bottle relevant to yap? Let's see. What have I done recently? I plugged an ESP32 into my computer and, what's it called? What did I do with the ESP? Oh, I used the ESP32 as a servo tester, really. I just tested the servo with the ESP32. I ordered some micro servo stepper motors. Not stepper motors, why did I say that? Micro servers for the card sorting warehouse project. But, for some reason, those servos don't have like physical end stops, so it doesn't actually know where the servo is when you boot it. So it just assumes it's at position 0, which is a problem because if it crashes midway through a move, then when it spawns in, it doesn't know where it is. Right? Problematic. So what do I do about that? I do not know, but I will have to figure that out. Another soul bad guy. What's up with the soul bad guys? Okay, what is up with the lag? The lag's causing me to drop my combos. Could I have gotten a better conversion there? Yeah, but whatever. Okay, I was spinning. Far slash. No, I died. Oh, bad guy. Oh my. What the soul bad guy combo? That's half my health. I'm Angie Mito. I'm supposed to be health. No, I dropped it. No, I messed up my... Okay, I was supposed to counter there. There it is. Yeah, fair enough. No, I countered there. Dang it. I thought I could get him like that, but I could not. This is so sad. Okay, that'll do it. This guy really likes his reversals. Cool. Okay. That works. I mean, he was just mashing. I think he's upset. Wait, no, he rematched me. What? Ow. Oh gosh. It's the exact same opening as last game. Okay, he throws. That's fine. Okay, where did my slash go? No, you're not gonna get that on me. Oh. Oh gosh, you just run up and do that, huh? Okay. Uh-oh, gosh. Uh-oh. Oh, dang it. Alright, that'll do it. That'll at least let me do more stuff in the next world. Oh no! I went in for the grab. Yeah, he goes in for the grab too, so that's okay. I don't know. Why am I only playing against soul bad guys? Can I get a I don't know, something else? I mean, I could play my lower ranked Gold Lewis, which would cause me to get different opponents, but I don't know. I can't believe that there's Gold Lewis is the least played character. He's so cool. Alright, we found an opponent. Alright, here comes Daredevil. Oh, bad guy? Oh, bad guy? It's Slayer! I love playing on Slayer for some silly reason. I just like to throw Master's Hammer. That's all I love. That's all I want to do. I just like to throw Master's Hammer, and I'm peeking. That's really good. Ow. Master's Hammer me. Oh, dang it. Just throw him there. Yep, you can throw that. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. There we go, I got it. Perfect.
Duel 2.
Okay. Throwing a wake up is funny. I saw that. Cool. That'll do it. I like to play against Slayer so much. It's so much fun to play against Slayer. Because he's so simple. You just do the thing and then you beat him, you know? Uh-oh. Like, you just throw. You block and you throw. That's all you need to do. Yeah, I don't know why you don't start blocking low, but sure. Like, what are the odds I do a high versus a low, you know what I mean? Ow. Oh, he went low this time. Okay, he went high. Okay. My reaction times are no bueno. Okay, I thought I blocked that.
Duel 3. Let's rock.
Yep, just block Mac up a hunch and you throw it. Throw it again. Okay. Don't block that. They don't block that one either. That's not what I wanted to do. No, 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 I messed up my super input, no! Oh, this is so sad. I do not know how to yellow Roman cancel.
Duel 1. Let's rock.
Okay, yeah. Throne. Ow. I swear I was out of range of that 2H. That was a lot of damage. Yeah, I mean, I have enough meter to do the mix-up, what, twice? The odds were ever in my favor. He backdashes every single time, so I'm just gonna finally start catching that, you know? Oh, where did my slash go? Okay. Okay. Yep. This guy really loves mashing. Then again, so do I. A fighting tactician. Guys, I'm a fighting tactician. Guys, did you hear? I'm a fighting tactician. My favorite thing about throwing Slayer is that I don't need to worry about the mix-up. The left and right mix-up, that is. Although, I don't know, I keep messing up my timing. You saw me get it like all the times in the game, right? It's alright, you don't need to worry about that. I love scrolling on twitter.com while I wait for the next round. It's my favorite activity, to be honest. I love Twitter. Yippee! My favorite website.
Here comes Daredevil. Duel 1.
Oh, Kisuke. Ow! That's right, it's the left-right mix-up, huh? Dang it. I am very disappointed in that. I'm not gonna burst there, buddy. That was sad. I'm not dead. Okay, that was bad of me. Yeah, I should have known. Okay, early wall break. We force out an early burst too. Cool.
Duel 3. Let's rock.
Yeah, that's fair enough. That was a conversion. Oh, you're just gonna get hit by that. Okay, that works for me. Match where my true skills awakened, it said. Okay, you're gonna throw. That's fair enough. Ow. Ow. Why did it not work? Could have absolutely worked. Ow. Ow. Uh-oh, this guy learned. Uh-oh, this guy learned, chat. That's not the super that I asked for. No. Yeah, we'll burst there. That's not what I pressed. No, I keep pressing the wrong thing. No. Oh well.
Duel 1. Let's rock.
Okay, enough. Enough again. Uh-oh. Ow. Ow. Get jumped on.
Duel 2. Let's rock.
Ow. Ow. Okay. I deserve that one. Okay, the cross up is cool. Yeah, I was just pressing buttons on that one. Okay. Am I died? Oh, that was good. Okay. Perfect on me, so. Okay. Yeah, ouch. Great arc. Okay. Does this kill? No. It decidedly does not kill. Ow. Okay. You know, I'm gonna call it there. I have not eaten my lunch yet. And so I must eat lunch. I have passed 30,000, yippee. Only 2,400 to go, or 2,385 rather. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you again. When you just Alt F4 this game, hop over to my YouTube tab so that I can click the end stream button. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a wonderful evening or a rest of your day or morning, depending on where you are in the world. Bye bye.